This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President and Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, received His Highness General Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, on Tuesday. The two parties exchanged views on a number of national issues related to decent living and a stable life for citizens. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed then hosted a lunch banquet in honour of the Abu Dhabi Crown Prince. The meeting and banquet were attended by His Highness Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Deputy Ruler of Dubai, and His Highness Sheikh Hazza bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the National Security Advisor, along with a number of sheikhs, ministers and other dignitaries. In a bid to improve access to quality healthcare for those in need, the Red Crescent Authority in the UAE has signed a memorandum of understanding with Burchill Hospital in order to provide medical services to patients with financial constraints, both in and outside of the UAE. As a part of the understanding, Burjill Hospital, Abu Dhabi's largest private tertiary hospital, will not only provide medical services to patients in need that are nominated by the UAE's Red Crescent Authority, but will also support the authority's programmes on disease awareness, screening and the training of volunteers. The MOU is valid for 1 year from the date of its signing. And continuing with the healthcare sector, Middle Eastern women over the age of 40 are being encouraged to seek periodic health assessments in order to prevent chronic illnesses. Medical experts say that with a growing number of non-communicable diseases, cancers and lifestyle diseases among women in the Middle East, assessments are particularly important for women above the age of 40, as chronic diseases and cancers are at their most prevalent. Dr. Faiza Nasser, a specialist physician for family medicine at Sheikh Khalifa Medical City in Abu Dhabi, stated that biological factors related to gender can influence health, well-being and treatment choices. She added that women should proactively seek immunisations against infectious diseases, as well as regular pap smears. The encouragement of healthy lifestyles include proper nutrition, exercise, smoking cessation, mental health and well-being. Dr. Nasser also highlighted osteoporosis as an example of a disease that can be screened for and prevented if monitored early. 17,467 cases of driving while using a mobile phone were reported over the past 7 months of the year over in the capital. The figures are the latest from the Department of Traffic and Patrols of Abu Dhabi Police. And off the back of this, the department is calling on all motorists not to use their mobile phones while driving in order to avoid traffic accidents caused by loss of attention when talking or writing or reading messages. Major Abdullah Al-Suwaidi, the director of the Severe Accident Investigation Branch at the department, also warned that police patrols have been stepped up to crack down on offenders, whether on internal roads or on highways. The figures come as Dubai police officials revealed earlier this week that they issued 20,000 tickets to motorists who were caught using their mobile phones while driving in the first half of the year, and that offenders now face a 200 dirham fine along with 4 black points. Over half of students surveyed, at 57% in the UAE, believe their education is a little better or much better than in Western countries. That's according to the latest survey. 1,300 students were interviewed from Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and the UAE by management consulting firm Booz & Co. to show the strengths and weaknesses of educational systems here in the Gulf. The high percentage of student satisfaction in the UAE was based on a number of factors, including their trust in educational leaders at 72%, their satisfaction with English teaching in schools at 54%, and their positive views of public schools. Research also showed that nearly 1 in 5 of UAE students wish to obtain a doctoral degree, and 34% would prefer to work in the public sector, against 32% who would want to work in international private companies in the future. The survey showed that 42% of GCC students want learning to be more fun and enjoyable. 36% want a change in teaching methods, and 28% want an increase in technology in classrooms. And finally, looking to other news, if you're looking for a dose of culture, why not visit the Mussawir Gallery in Al Quoz, which is hosting an exhibition featuring some of the world's most renowned calligraphers. The gallery's curators have pulled together works from famous artists, such as Sadken Gulji and Ahmed Khan, as well as 11 up-and-coming calligraphers in an exhibition entitled Resonating Script. Sadken was one of Pakistan's most celebrated artists, who was credited with turning calligraphy into a mainstream art form. Today, his work is coveted by in-the-know collectors around the globe. Of equal prominence is fellow countryman Ismail Gulji, whose interpretations of Arabic and Urdu letters gained him international recognition from the likes of the Museum of Modern Art. And the work of acclaimed artist Ahmed Khan will also be on display and available to buy. Resonating Script will be running until September the 30th.
We have all the information on the website, on Facebook, on Twitter, and plus Art Map. And we send all the invites on this exhibition. And please, through media and through your channels, definitely people like and then come our gallery. This exhibition we have actually after the summer the first exhibition we start for the name of Allah. That's why we have a Quranic calligraphy exhibitions. The message is understand you start for the name of God.
We have many different artists, 11 contemporary artists on display in this exhibition. It's called Resonating Script, so we really want it to resonate with everybody in the community to cross all boundaries. We would like the public to see the technical skills and the beautiful colours and be inspired. So the message is just how broad calligraphy can be. It's not one set type, it can be very modern or abstract as well. Cubism influences it, so many different materials as well, oils, acrylics, paper cutting, embossing. We really have everything here, so something for everyone, I think, even artwork on leather as well.